This is going to be a video tutorial on how to restrict who can see your friends list on Facebook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To restrict who can see your friends list on Facebook, the first thing you want to do is open up the settings. I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to my little profile icon. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy, and I'm going to click on Settings and Privacy. Then the next thing I'm going to click on is Settings. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll down a ways to where you see the Audience and Visibility section, and in the Audience and Visibility section right down here, how people find and contact you. You want to click on How People Find and Contact You. Then on the center pane, right towards the top, first thing is Who can send you friend requests. The next thing down is Who can see your friends list. As you can see, I have mine currently set to Only Me. I'm going to click on it. A little dialog box will open up. If you toggle on this top one, you're making your friends list public. Anyone on or off of Facebook can see your friends list. The next one down is Friends. If you toggle this one on, all of your friends can see your friends list. Next one down is Friends Accept. You can choose who you want, which one of your friends that you want to see your friends list. Next one down is Specific Friends. It's kind of similar to Friends Accept. Next one down is Only Me. If you want nobody to see your friends list, you would toggle on Only Me as you see mine is toggled on. Then all you would do is go down to the bottom, click on Done. That is how to restrict your friends list on Facebook. Thanks for watching.